everyone, welcome to Japan. Do you know that there are various ramen in Japan? Today I will introduce the types of ramen in Japan. Entry number 1, pork bone ramen.
Pork ramen is a popular ramen in Japan. Make a soup with all parts of the pig. Knee joint, spine, pig's head, back fat, pig's foot. Add these ingredients to make a soup. While making soup, add ginger, green onion, garlic and lemon with the smell. Be completed. If you shiver burn, the soup is characterized by a strong smell and a strong taste.
Entry number 2, soy sauce ramen.
Soy sauce ramen is a traditional Japanese style ramen.
A chicken bone,
Knee joint,
dried sardines,
Onion.
garlic,
ginger.
Add these ingredients to make a soup. Then make soy sauce. Chicken skin, cooking sake, soy sauce. Put the soup in a bowl and mix the sauce a little to complete. The characteristic of soy sauce ramen is that it has a good smell and a mild taste. Please eat once because it is a good old Japanese taste.
Entry number 3, miso ramen.
Miso ramen is a ramen that originated in Hokkaido, Japan. A miso, Chinese chili bean sauce, sweet sake, cooking sake, make soup with etc. Next, minced meat, bean sprouts, miso, garlic, ginger, onion. Fry these ingredients in a frying pan. It's completed by putting the fried ingredients in the soup. Miso ramen is characterized by the rich taste of miso, similar to the taste of Chinese food.
Entry number 4, salt ramen.
The last is the salt ramen. Chicken bone, carrot, mushroom, bonito, green onion, garlic, ginger, make soup with etc. Then make a salt sauce. Salt, bonito, soy sauce, cooking salt. Put the soup in a bowl and mix the sauce a little to complete. The characteristic of salt ramen is that it is very light, not suitable for people who like strong taste. How is the Japanese ramen? Although it is a standard ramen introduced this time, there are still various types of ramen in Japan. In the near future, we will introduce ramen that you absolutely do not know. See you again.